I am back with 5 more Christmas digital product ideas that you can create now so that you can make some extra money this holiday season. Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emese and I talk about digital products and making money online. Because my last video about 7 profitable Christmas digital product ideas was so well received, I thought that I would make a part 2, and today I will be talking about 5 more Christmas digital product ideas that I think will do very well this Christmas season and it can make some extra money for you before the end of the year. I tried to find some new ideas that I think will do very well, but I wanted these to be very different from what I talked about in the previous video. You can find the link in the description box down below to that. What I would suggest is that you pause this video right here, go watch that one, and then come back and watch this one, because you will be left with lots of ideas that you can act on and you can create this digital product starting today. So without any further ado, I will show you my computer screen and let's talk about 5 more Christmas digital product ideas. The first Christmas digital product idea that I want to talk about are kids coloring pages. You can find a big variety of these on the Etsy marketplace. I selected a few and we will talk about the ones that I will show you right here. So this first one is clearly made for kids. This shop has many designs, but these are some cute gingerbread figures and a few snowflakes. Let's take a look at the images. It's kind of the same image all over again, so they were not very creative with their listing images. The sale price is kind of low. I would charge more for these, but that's just me. And let's take a look at the title. Kids coloring page. Yes. You can go for the children's stocking filler. This is a really good keyword. This is not a good keyword in my opinion, but I think that this is selling really well because I found it on the first page. Let's take a look at another one. These are some cute penguins and a few gifts and some other Christmas elements, but I think this looks really nice. These are from the same shop. Let's see the images. Because it has the kid's name in the middle, I'm thinking that this is somehow customizable. Let's check the description. Okay, now I see why this is so cheap. It says here that they have to submit their child's name to this seller. If they want this for 4 children with different names, then they have to purchase it 4 times. And the seller only has to change the name and export the PDF. So it's very little work. It's just like one copy paste or some typing. And they can make some quick money with this. These are very cute in my opinion. You can create lots of variation for Christmas coloring pages. And you can reuse these on other platforms as well, if you create them. The next profitable Christmas digital product idea are holiday activity pages. I found these Christmas activity pages here on Etsy. I think they are really good. They are fast to make. You just have to get the idea, and once you have the idea of the activity, you can create a printable game around it. And I found these. They look very cute. They have several good listing images. The title is very good in my opinion, full of keywords, maybe a little bit stuffed, but that's what people do. And the price is quite low in my opinion on this one as well. I would sell a bundle of 25 games for at least $5 to $7 euros. I would not go this cheap, but I see why this is a bestseller because it's very cheap. This is another holiday activity games pack, and they are a different style, but they are still looking very good. They even have a listing video where they are showing in the tablet how the coloring pages are looking. I am 99% sure that these were made in Canva, and the video too, because I recognize the tablet from Canva. I prefer the listing images on this one to the one that we saw before, because this is just closer to my style. Okay, profitable digital product niche idea number 3, hand-painted clipart sets. You heard me rave about hand-painted clipart sets lots of times before because I mention it in like every other video. I do this because this style is close to my heart, and I also like to create hand-painted digital product clipart sets. You can find the link to my creative market store. Those were hand painted by me if you're interested in some hand painted clipart sets that I made. Yes, you can check that out, I would be very grateful. Let's take a look at another set. These are some cute gingerbread themed drinks, but let's take a look at another set. This is a bigger set, but I believe that this was painted on a tablet, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking that because the feel on the colors is quite uniform, there are no textures here. But this is an amazing clipart set in my opinion. It would go very well with lots of things, lots of Christmas digital products. And the price point is quite accessible. I am okay. I think that this item is priced quite fairly for the amount of work that it took, and they are selling it lots of times because it has the bestseller badge. Okay, before we move on to the next category, I would like to mention that my course Passive Income with Printables is launching next month and the waitlist is open. I will send an email as soon as the gates will be ready to open. The link for the waitlist is down in the description box down below, so if you are interested in finding out more about the course, please sign up, and in the upcoming weeks I will send out an email announcing when the gates will be officially opening. So if you're interested, please sign up on the waitlist. Profitable digital product niche idea number 4 for today, and those would be printable holiday themed games. People would buy these, print them, and when the family is gathered on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve or Thanksgiving Day, they can play these games with the whole family or with their friends group. So let's take a look at 2 of these. These are 14 games, and I think that the price is fair on these. Let's see how the listing images look. They look quite nice. They put two games on one page so that you can save some paper. They included some tags as well, and they are simple but yet very effective listing images. And let's check out another one. These have a different style, but they look very cool as well, and I think that these are correctly priced as well because they have 40 games in this bundle. But they only have 2 listing images and they are quite busy because of the pattern that they used, but the games themselves look really good in my opinion when I zoom in. And you can see how they look, like right here. And profitable digital product niche idea number 5 for today's video, and that would be printable stickers. I found 2 very cute bundles on the first page and I would like to talk about them. These include the cut files as well, as you can see, because there is the line around each item and how they will be cut out. And they show it with multiple listing images, and these listing images in my opinion look really good. They use the mock-up creators. I recognize these scissors because I look at mock-up creator sets all the time for my products. These are the individual elements from the set. This is showing the high quality of it, the high resolution. There's a different background and some other information as well. But I think that this is a really cute set. And this is another style. These were made on a tablet, I believe, but they look really cute. I like the style of this artist. And they only have 2 listing images, one for the Etsy platform and another one where they are showing all the elements, but this is a really good image because it's somewhat optimized for Pinterest. And they have the watermark on it that is really good and very useful for protecting your digital products. Because it had happened to me that some people stole my designs and they started selling them in their own shops. They even didn't change the listing image or anything. They didn't crop out my logo or watermark, they just started selling it. I use a service that recognizes the images that I upload there. I can't remember the name, but I will put a link down in the description box. And they also have a service, I believe, where they can remove these photos in your name if you find something suspicious on the internet. That was it for today's video. I really hope you found some very valuable information in it. My goal with this video was to give you some ideas of digital products that you can start creating now so that you can make some extra money before the end of the year. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. See you in the next one. Bye bye!